Welcome back to Western New York Living and the WECK Radio Local Business Spotlight segment.
Until recently, those suffering from back, neck, or extremity pain were severely limited in their treatment options. But at the Western New York Pain Relief and Integrative Wellness Center, they can find your solution to natural pain relief. They provide new technologies that are both drug-free and non-invasive. And join me now to tell us more on our WECK Local Business Spotlight is Dr. Christian Milioto. Great to see you again, Doctor.
Thank you for having me.
All right, well, for those unaware, why don't you tell us about WNY Pain Relief and Integrative Wellness Center?
Yeah, so we've been around for a few years now. We specialize in helping those who have unresolved issues in the neck and low back. Many of these patients have seen it all, done it all, tried it all. They're pretty much limited to either drugs, surgery, or living their life in pain. When they come into my office, we sit down and get a full history and create a specific, unique treatment plan targeting the root causes of their inflammation, getting them out of pain, reducing their drugs, saving them from surgery, and giving them back the lives they deserve.
Neuropathy is a word we're going to talk about. What is it and how does it occur?
So neuropathy, medically defined, is basically nerve damage. Many people experience varying types. It can be from a car accident, a slip and fall, something that kind of just progresses over time. That could be have a lot to do with how we work. We sit a lot. We're not meant to sit. Patients with peripheral neuropathy are nerve disorders in the hands and in the feet. They can stem from issues in the spine. They can stem from diabetes, treatment for cancer, varying different types of things. And our job is to figure out where that came from, target those tissues, and then actually work on the nerve from where it starts to where it ends and resolve those symptoms.
Now, there's people watching right now saying, that might be what I have. How would they know? What are some of the symptoms?
Yeah, so many people will start off feeling a little thing maybe a few years ago. You know, they had some burning, some numbness, some tingling, a quick thing. And then eventually what happens is the pain goes from being acute to more of acute chronic. It's there and it's not going away. That's when these patients are seeking help. They might get prescribed medications, they might do certain tests to assess their condition, but then generally they don't know where to go after that. Many people don't want to be on a drug or a procedure that's not a cure-all, it's just masking symptoms, and that's where we step in.
Yeah, we see some examples while you're talking there of what can be done. So how do you treat it? Talk about some of the things we saw and how you treat neuropathy.
Yeah, so when we treat a patient, like I said, we take them in, we get a full history. We get to the root cause of what their problem is. Did it occur because they have diabetes? Is it an idiopathic, which means there's an unknown definition as to why it developed? Now in my office, we don't believe that. We actually target and figure out what that cause was. We do a full history and orthopedic examination. Once we conclude what's going on, we create that individual treatment plan to patients. We offer free consultations for them to come in, see what we do. I've been doing a lot of seminars that the potential patients really enjoy. It's meant to be an educational. Show patients that they can live their life without pain. Show them what we really specialize in, which is being unique to Buffalo. I spend up to an hour sitting down with a patient, just dedicating my time to really showing them that they can live their life without pain, and they don't have to necessarily be on a pain medication or seek help for years and years and years. Let's figure out what your individual problem is, give you the unique care you need, and get you back to your life.
How do they schedule a consultation?
So they can give us a call at 650-PAIN, which is 7246. Look us up on our website, buffalopainrelief.com. I really urge patients to come in for my seminar or come for the one-on-one consultation. We're hosting two this month on the 15th and 29th of January. It's a really fun seminar. It's meant to be educational. We sit down, usually a large group of people are there, and we have a lot of fun together.
All right, sounds like give people answers too to something that's been ailing them for a long time. Western New York Pain Relief and Integrated Wellness Center provides a natural solution to pain relief. Remember, they'll be holding a free seminar on neuropathy and back pain on January 15th and January 29th at 1 p.m. Their offices are located at 4415 Union Road in Buffalo. For more information or to request an appointment, you can give them a call today at 650-PAIN. That's 650-7246. You can also head to their website at buffalopainrelief.com to learn more about the different types of treatment they offer patients. Now don't go anywhere, because coming up next, the Western Division Federal Credit Union will be here to discuss all the financial services they offer. To highlight some of the special promotions they have going on right now, Western New York Living will continue.
This segment of Western New York Living was sponsored by the following: